nagpapasalamat kay Lord at na para sa buhay namin mag-asawa, kami po ay nakapag-serve dito sa JA1 family. Lubos po ang aming pagpapasalamat. Mas lalong bumuti yung aming buhay. Ang blessings, tuloy-tuloy. Naging maganda yung takbo ng family. May peace of mind. So, talagang salamat at nasama kami dito sa JA1 family. Salamat.
Salamat ako sa Lord sa araw na ito kasi 2 years na. And maraming bagay ang ginawa ng Lord sa loob ng 2 taon.
Amen.
At isa na dyan ay yun, natuto kami tumugtog, kami mag-asawa. Tanong kong i-enhance pa yun ng Lord para may glorify pa ang pangalan niya.
Sir Rochelle, when I first joined JA1, medyo hesitant pa ako. That time kasi parang I'm very down. Ang dami kong pinagdaanan sa buhay. That time, parang super broken ako and I feel like very alone. May kulang. Para sa akin may kulang. Nung unang pumasok ako sa JA1, bigla agad akong overwhelmed kasi parang iba yung feeling ko kasi I feel like I will have a good relationship with God through JA1. I feel like I need to be here. My home is here. I belong here. Doon ko naramdaman na this is my home.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat at nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Napakabuti ang Diyos sa ating lahat dahil naroon yung 2 years na pagsama ng Diyos sa atin at maraming ginagamit ng mga pastor na patuloy na nagpapagamit at naglilingkod. Marami pang bagay ang gagawin ng Diyos at marami pang tao ang makakakilala. Patuloy na sasamahan tayo ng ating Panginoon. Salamat sa Panginoon. Napakabuti mo Panginoon. Salamat po.
Congratulations sa morning service, second to the power anniversary. Salamat sa Lord dahil narating nyo ang journey na ito sa paglilingkod sa Lord. At maraming salamat din dahil ako'y naging part ng inyong service. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. God bless and more power at congratulations.
Salamat po at pinapupurihan ko po ng lubos-lubos si Lord. Happy anniversary po sa atin. Salamat po.
Tulingan na ang Diyos ay laging tapat sa kanyang pangako at yun ang aming pinanghahawakan.
I know the Lord will give us a wisdom today and alam ko na nandyan lagi si Lord.
Kami laging patuloy ng kapagamit dito sa AM service. Happy 2nd year anniversary.
To the second power. Happy anniversary, JA1. Morning service.
God bless.
God bless.
Good morning. First and foremost, I'd like to thank God for His faithfulness on the 2nd year anniversary of the JA1 Church Morning Service. Really, the Lord works in us. He shown a lot of miracles, a lot of things that bestows His goodness on this morning service. We are looking forward for more things to come in the next year. God bless.
Happy anniversary, JA1. Bye!
Hi, good morning. Una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos. Napakatapat ng Diyos at napakadakila sa aming buhay. Grabe siya at talagang wala ka na mahihiling pa. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Second year Thanksgiving ng JA1 Abu Dhabi Morning Service. And we are excited kasi ang aming team is multiplication. And I know and I believe that God will multiply hindi lang yung mga tao na a-attend at makakakilala kay Kristo, maging ang kanilang mga pag-aari o ari-arian ay magmumultiply. They will be blessed abundantly because this is the promise coming from God. Thank you, Lord. At ngayong umagang ito, God will be glorified. Matataas lamang ang kanyang pangalan, maluluwalhati ang kanyang pangalan, dadakilain siya habang panahon. Thank you and be blessed. Amen. Hallelujah.
When I'm with you, I feel the real me finally breaking through. It's all because of you, Jesus. Anytime, anywhere, any heartache, I'm never too much for you to take. There's only love, there's only grace. When I'm with you, I'm breathing, I'm innocent. It's like my heart's on fire again. I'm not afraid, I'm not ashamed. I'm safe when I am with you. I'm breathing, I'm innocent. It's like my heart's on fire again. I'm not afraid, I'm not ashamed. I'm safe when I am with you. And so I'm here just as I am, bruised or broken. I don't have to pretend.